seen also the Bureau of Fire responded during the Abra earthquake. I was there. I was the Secretary of Social Welfare. Kaya ako po yung nagpapasalamat on behalf of these victims at saka of the Filipino people. Thank you po for your service. So, maraming salamat po. Siguro para ika nga magantihan po yung pagservisyo with your commander here. Sumalang na ba kayo sa budget hearing?
Sir.
Okay. Anong kumusta naman?
Ano naman po, sir? Okay. Kailangan namin yung suporta mo, sir.
Well, we will help out, Colonel. We will help out. So tutulong po tayo siguro sa facilities or yung alam ko kulang lagi yung mga truck po natin. I will really work on it sa DILG siguro kasi I believe the DILG budget deliberations ngayong November.
Thank you so much,
sir.
sir.
I'll be present there. Yung mga maaaring hindi po maibigay lahat yung request po ninyo the fire truck, pero dadagdagan po natin as much as possible because it's very important. So support po ako sa Bureau of Fire Protection po natin kasi lagi po kayong gano'n. Lalo na siguro sa mga rescue equipment po ninyo. Kailangan po natin yan.
Yes, sir.
Colonel. So asahan nyo po na I will be helping out. May malalapitan po kayo sunod. Hindi lang po ako. My brother also, Senator Rafi. We will help po.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat po, Colonel.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat po. Thank you po for your service. Salamat.